My name is Brinda Giriraj Kudrasra. My student ID is AZZ31048. Today in this presentation I am going to explain how to use the income statement and cash flow statement for required information and to make important decisions. This piece of research report carries significant importance for the readers, especially for those who are willing to make investment but unable to decide which company is better and in which company one should invest. The report carries importance for them as the report has practically compared different companies with each other. By reading this report, one can make up their mind and fill it with various analytical skills in order to analyze the companies and compare them with each other. This can be said that because in this research report, research has been carried out over 3 companies and a comparison is made of the companies with each other. The comparison carries different perspective and the major source of comparison and also the analysis is the income statement and statement of cash flow for 3 firms. The comparison has been made among the companies and the analysis has been made over the evolution of the companies during the last 3 years. Based on the analysis and comparisons, the strength of each company is analyzed and analysis related to lending our poses has also been made. The 3 companies which will remain under discussion in this report will be BHP Limited, Santos Limited and Fantastic Limited. The financial year under analysis for the above 3 firms would be 2019, 2018 and 2017. It is always said that in order to take important and significant decisions, what is required the most is the up-to-date and complete information. A lender who wants to lend and investor who wants to invest are taking their decision and deciding whether to lend and to invest or not. What they want is also the updated and complete information. They require this information so that they can decide whether they should lend or they should invest or not by making the analysis of the available information. Cash flow statement and income statement are the 2 areas which help them in making their analysis as this provide a significant amount of information relevant to them. Therefore, the investor do find the income statement and the cash flow statement useful. From the cash flow statement, the investor can look for the payment of dividends which the company has made, and based on this, they can analyze the dividend paying capability of the company. Similarly, to analyze the cash generating capability of the company, the cash flow statement provide information about the cash generation from various sources along with the operational and other activities. Investors also concerned about the gearing of companies, and so the cash flow statement also provide information about whether the company is repaying its borrowing or obtaining various finances and borrowings. The capital expenditure a company is making can also be analyzed from the cash flow statement, and so the information and the expected performance in the future can also be predicted from the cash flow statement. On the other hand, from the income statement, the incomes, expenses and the profit all can be easily analyzed. All this point shows the importance and usefulness of the cash flow statement and income statement for the investors. When the cash flow from the operation is higher than the dividend payments, the firm is able to generate the cash from its operations and for its dividend payments. When a company generates cash from its working capital account, the use of cash from cash and cash equivalent reduce and the company can use the working capital cash for its needs. BHP Limited has able to generate cash in 2019 only, and so in this year the use of cash and cash equivalent reduced. But in 2018 and 2017 the firm was not able to generate cash from working capital account and so has to use more cash from cash and cash equivalent as compared to 2019. So now it will be easy to evaluate the financial strength of the companies based on the fact. It is already evident from the fact that the figure of BHP Limited is the highest among all 3 companies and the company is generating a significant amount of cash from its operation and so it has no need of borrowing, and so is repaying the borrowed money and also incurring capital expenditure for future growth. The cash and cash equivalent of the company also shows its strength as it has a significantly higher amount of cash and cash equivalent as compared to others. Santos Limited is also performing well and its strength is not bad at all as the cash from the operation is low from BHP Limited. Therefore, it is performing lower than BHP Limited. But yet it seems that the company would soon start to perform well as it is earning cash from operations, incurring capital expenditures, paying decent dividends, and also has high cash and cash equivalents. Fantastic Limited does not have strong financial strength for now. It is not generating any cash from its operation, has not paid any dividend, and has also eluded heavily on the borrowings. Thus, it can be concluded that the financial strength of BHP Limited is highest among all. Lender always want to secure their risk of lending before they lend anything to anyone. For analyzing the risk involved, various analysis has been made. And based on the analysis, the firm with low risk are awarded the finance and the firm with high risk are excused or they are providing with the finance under some strict condition. The evaluation that we have made in the previous section shows the strength of all three companies based on that evaluation. It can be said that BHP Limited carry the lowest risk and therefore if I were a lender, I would choose BHP Limited for lending as BHP Limited has been the lowest risk of default and so my risk of lending will also be secured with BHP Limited. Thank you.